deselect this, the network operators settings here, you can have it, you will most likely have it automatic here, but when you are in roaming, you can actually disable this setting and choose whatever operator you like. In the network operator, in the network operator settings here, usually you have set automatically for your own network when you're in your own country, but when you're abroad in roaming, you can actually disable this and choose whatever operators are available. Maybe some of them are better quality, maybe they have more coverage. So I would choose the one that's by default here, and then that's all it's set here. So if I want to refresh it, if I want to change the network again, I can choose another one. Because I'm now on the SITA, on this SITA Mobile Vodafone card, I cannot choose the other ones because this is a card from SITA. So I will put it here. It says registering that it's quick. I'll put it back to automatic. So that's easy. There is also the SIM manager option where you can choose between the SIM cards. You can also disable the SIM card here. You can add an eSIM from here and choose the preferred SIMs for calls, messages, and mobile data. If you had 2 SIMs, you could choose between SIM 1 and 2 or even completely turn it off. You can also go to the more SIM settings and choose the PIN. You can change the SIM PIN, but I don't have the SIM PIN for this. I don't want it. And more connection settings. Here you have the more connection settings for VPN and private DNS. The auto update system settings from the network. You can also use the mobile hotspot and Bluetooth tethering to share the mobile data from your phone to your laptop. You can use the phone as a 4G router, and then it sets a hotspot as a Wi-Fi, and your laptop it can connect to the Wi-Fi of the phone. That's really useful actually. The flight mode is to disable the radio on the phone. I believe the Wi-Fi will still be on if you do that. So flight mode will have the little airplane icon, but the Wi-Fi is still on, so you can disable the Wi-Fi manually. But now in the airplanes they have Wi-Fi, so you might need to use the Wi-Fi in the plane. Flight mode is most important to disable the 5G, 4G connection, which those are going to cause interference. You can also enable the Wi-Fi calling option. You can make and receive calls over Wi-Fi connection whenever it's available. This is the option to use. If you wanted to increase the quality of the call, this is also an option. I'll disable it because I'm not sure if I want to use that. I believe these are the most useful connection settings. Let me know if you have any questions about 5G and how 5G works, and if you need to disable the 5G when you're at home on the Wi-Fi, or you should enable it. I believe you should disable the mobile data when you're at home, only to prevent